Welcome back. Let's talk about Kirki's Content Manager, the part of the builder that lets you build sites that scale beyond just static pages. Let's say you have a recipe site with 200 recipes, a portfolio site with 50 projects and counting. Manually building a separate page layout for every single entry is completely unsustainable. That's where you need a dynamic content management system. With most WordPress builders, you need a separate plugin to handle that, but not with Kirki. You can define custom content types for anything: recipes, job listings, portfolios, team members, or courses. You can build real relationships with them and display everything dynamically without ever leaving your builder or installing a single extra plugin. Let's see Kirki's dynamic content in action. That being said, every piece of content on your site is either static or dynamic. Static is what you'd expect. Text, images, and data have to be updated manually or by hand. That works fine for sections that stay the same across your site, like a hero section, but tiresome when you have hundreds of blog posts or product pages where the content keeps changing. Dynamic flips that. You store data once, and your design pulls it automatically. Update anything from the content manager, and every place that uses it updates at the same time. That's the workflow and the philosophy that Kirk is built around. The content manager lives on the left sidebar. Open it and you land on an empty workspace, asking for its first collection. Think of collections as containers that holds packets of information inside of them. For this example, let's go ahead and try creating a collection for a portfolio site where we want to show works. So naturally, we'll need a collection for that. Click on the Add New button. You'll immediately have a choice to select them from a wide range of presets, such as team members and portfolios. But let's start from scratch for this one. Since we're working with showcasing some works, let's name the collection Works. Keeping its namesake, you can name the title field Work Name. The help text section helps you tag the field and come back to it for the full context whenever you want. So for now, let's just put in, this collection is for showcasing my works here. Now, this log is automatically generated by Kirki based on the name, so you won't have to waste extra effort here. Okay, now we have the rumblings of a collection beginning to take form. A collection isn't complete without custom fields. For a portfolio website, let's start with a couple. Click on the plus icon to select from a variety of options. Let's build them out one by one. First, a text field. Let's call it Service. Then, set the default value to illustration and visual assets as an example. Now, how about a project duration? Let's create another text field and name it Project Duration. And set the default value here to 7 years. A portfolio website also needs a thumbnail image to make it more appealing. For this, let's add an image field and name it Thumbnail Image. As you can see, we're able to set the image type here, sorted by a media or simply an URL. We can set the format here as well. Let's set it for all formats here for now. This project could do with a gallery too. Let's add a gallery field now, and name it Project Gallery 1. Like the image field, we can set the same options here. Note that the image field and the gallery field is different. The image field is meant for showcasing one highlight image, such as a cover or a thumbnail, while the gallery image is meant for showing multiple images at once. That is super useful when you want to show more of your products in one section. Okay, now we have some preliminary field setup. But let's take a look at an example of how a similar collection setup could look like for a different website entirely. For example, a website that sells courses. Instead of project details, this collection might contain fields like course description, instructor, skill level, duration, and price. You could also add a course thumbnail page, a preview video URL, and even a rich text field for the course curriculum. Each website has different content requirements, and that's exactly why collections are so powerful. Coming back to our portfolio website, we have created some more fields that are relevant to our project, such as year, project overview, and visual assets. Once you're done, hit save, and your collections should go live. Okay, but collections are just containers if you don't have items inside of them. For this project, let's click on our collection and add an item. For our first item, let's fill up the sections with some recent works we have done. It was a project regarding the whimsical wonders of tomorrow. Wonderful name. So let's put that in. And also, let's fast track and upload some images relevant to it. And there we have it. All the fields are now complete with content. Our first item is ready to go. We can edit it further, save it as a draft, or just simply publish it. Just like that, our collection is ready. You can add as many items as you like. Kirki doesn't limit you here. The table here populates with the status and meta information, fully ready for your visibility. When you're creating content on your website, it should be second nature to have them update dynamically across pages. Kirki helps you do that easily. Let's see. You've got your items. Now, they need to show up on the canvas. For a list, like a portfolio of projects, you'll need a collection element. We have one collection element created here named Works, complete with its own fields and content. Let's drag this onto the page. To make it appear more appealing, let's drag in a card. A card will help structure this raw collection into a beautiful design. Go to the Insert panel and scroll down to Cards. Let's choose this one. There we have it. The collection is automatically appended into the design. If there's inconsistencies in the text styling in your design, you can very easily change the settings in the right panel. Typography, and then choose text styles. Now, let's have the content inside dynamically update according to the collection that we have. With the first card selected, open the right panel and you'll see a small database icon next to the element's name at the top. That's your dynamic content settings. That will help you connect the collection you've just created in the content manager to the collection element on the canvas. Click it to open the collection list settings and pick your type. Choose the collection. For us, it's Works. Set the value to thumbnail image, and as you can see, Kirki automatically pulls in the image from the collection. Do this for every other field in the content, maybe a description or a title, alongside some other changes. In the left panel, you can select the entire collection and access its core settings. You can take it further by sorting and filtering items on the canvas. Filtering it by post date, author, and the content are some common options. You can also have advanced options such as sorting the data. Here, you can set it as ascending or descending, and then just select the order at which you want it to display. If you want to remove the filter or search, just press delete and it should go away. The limit dictates how many items are going to display in that specific collection list and the canvas. If you have a lot of items to show, you're able to set a very high maximum limit just to be safe. And of course, the pagination option helps you structure your collection better with numeric, infinite scroll, and load more options available. And also, you're able to change the layout according to however you dim fit. No matter what you do, Kirki's dynamic system repeats your card and changes across every item, with the right data in the right slot. You design once, and Kirki fills in the rest. And lastly, references. Sometimes one piece of content needs to point at another. For example, a blog post to an author. Go back to the Kirki CMS. Create a reference or a multi-reference field by clicking the plus icon. Go to Custom Fields and create a reference or the multi-reference field as needed. We have some reference collections ready for this project, namely the services and categories. We want categories to show up in the content as a reference field, and services as a multi-reference field. The difference is, a reference field handles a one-to-one link. A multi-reference field handles one-to-many. Let's go to our core collection and scroll down. The reference field should be visible here. Set one that's the most relevant for your item. Add one to your collection like any other field, then pick the collection you're linking to. From then on, every item connects to entries from that other group. The payoff is consistency. There's no need for extra plugins. And to top it all off, we have the dynamic template pages. Dynamic template pages are pages dedicated for each item. It pulls in automatically from what's already in your collection. Go to your Pages panel on the left-hand side and click on the plus icon. Select Template and set the collection to Post. Choose your collection as the post type, for example, Works. The template opens as a blank page. But you can design your page just like any other page in Kirki. Use pre-built sections for speed, or design it from scratch using elements. Let's use a pre-built template for this one. Voila! Select any element on the page and open its dynamic content settings, and just connect it to the collection. Repeat this for each element until the full layout is mapped to your collection fields. You're also able to easily configure SEO dynamically. Navigate to the SEO tab in the content settings and use the dynamic field tags to populate SEO meta title and description with dynamic data. This will ensure that each page is optimized based on its unique content. Similarly, you can dynamically set the Open Graph cover image, title, and description. Lastly, go to the General tab and give your page a title and a description. Then just hit Save. Just like that, your dynamic template page is now ready. And that's Kirki's Content Manager. It's one holistic system that makes your content management scale with your site, without ever considering another tool. In the next videos, we're going even deeper into what Kirki is capable of. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.